Define amnesty or pardon for.
Forgiveness for crimes committed.
What is suspended sentence?
Delayed sentence.
What is weapon?
Like a knife or gun.
What is guerrilla group?
A group that uses weapons to fight the military, police, or government.
What is illegal gambling?
To play a game for money, that is against the law.
What is rehabilitative program?
A program to help someone to recover from drugs or alcohol.
What is clemency?
Reduce a sentence.
What is registered to vote?
Sign up to choose a leader.
What is false?
Not true.
Define obtain immigration benefit.
To gain things like a green card.
Define injure.
To hurt someone.
Define distribute.
Give out.
Do you know what the person is called who marries more than one person at the same time?
Polygamy.
Define with intent.
Purposely.
Do you understand the meaning of prostitute?
Someone who does physical relation for money.
What is weapons training?
To learn how to use a gun.
What is assault?
To attack violently.
What is overthrow?
To remove a government by force.
What is rebel group?
A group that fights a government.
What is exemption?
Special permission for not doing something.
Can you tell me the meaning of proceeds?
A portion of money from a transaction.
Define illegal.
Against the law.
What is order of nobility?
Like king or queen.
What is combat?
To fight in a war.
What is hijacking?
Taking control of a vehicle by force.
Meaning of civilian direction?
Direction from non-military person.
What is crime?
An action that breaks the law.
What is smuggle?
Bring something illegally into the country.
What is example of work of national importance under civilian direction?
Helping the Red Cross after an earthquake.
What is controlled substances?
Drugs regulated by the government.
What is prison camp?
A camp to keep prisoners of war or political prisoners are kept.
What is the form of government in the United States?
Republic.
What is the meaning of did not consent?
Did not agree.
What is alimony?
Financial support.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation.
Tell the meaning of dispense.
Give out.
What is offense?
Minor crime.
What is alien?
Someone who is not a U.S. citizen.
What is immigration benefit?
Things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
What is rescission?
Canceling a visa to stay in the U.S.
What is torture?
To cause great pain to someone.
What is register?
To sign up.
What is probation?
Report to an officer regularly instead of jail time.
Define, procure.
To encourage someone.
Explain, bear arms on behalf of the United States.
Use a gun to defend the United States during a war.
Define, owe.
Need to pay.
Define, illegal.
Against the law.
What is assassination?
Killing someone famous or important.
What is totalitarian party?
A group that believes the government should control everything that people do.
What are overdue taxes?
Didn't pay taxes on time.
What is alternative sentencing?
A different way to punish someone instead of going to jail, such as community service.
What is establishment?
Starting or creating a group.
What is detention facility?
A place where people are forced to stay.
What is oath?
A promise.
What is gamble or gambling?
To play a game for money.
What is file a tax return meaning?
Send a tax form to the government.
Define. Cited.
Given a ticket by the police.
What is constitution?
The supreme law of the land.
Define. Associated with.
Connected to.
What is sabotage?
Intentionally damage or destroy something.
What are unconstitutional means?
Methods that go against the Constitution.
Define. Admission into the United States.
Enter into the United States.
Do you understand what unlawful is?
Against the law.
Define. Deported.
Forced to leave a country.
What is the meaning of have you ever?
Anywhere in the world, at any time.
What is oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Define. Paroled or been paroled.
Allowed to leave prison early.
Define. Conspire.
To plan with others.
What is drug paraphernalia?
Equipment to make or use illegal drugs.
What is the meaning of engage?
To participate.
What is the meaning of convicted?
Found guilty of a crime under the law.
Define. Drafted.
Being selected as a soldier.
Define. Serve.
To work.
What is fraudulent?
Claim something that is not true.
What is immigration benefit?
To gain things like a green card.
Define. Commit a crime.
To do something that breaks the law.
Define. Attempt.
To try.
Define. Detain.
To force to stay.
What is prostitution?
Doing physical relation for money.
Define civilian.
Anyone who is not in the military.
Define involved in.
Took part in.
What is overdue?
Late for a payment.
Define perform non-combatant services.
Do any work in a war except fighting.
Define assist.
To help.
What is national origin?
The nation where a person was born.
Do you understand the meaning of sentence?
A punishment under the law.
What is genocide?
To kill a whole race.
What is the Communist Party?
A group that believes the government should own and control everything. For example, North Korea.
Do you understand the meaning of killing?
To cause someone to die.
What is misleading?
Give a wrong idea.
Do you understand the meaning of opposition?
Going against something.
What is prison or jail?
A place where the police keep people who have been arrested.
Meaning of bear arms?
Carry weapons.
What does the Constitution do?
Sets up the government.
What is claim?
To say something without proof.
What are non-combat services?
Services that do not involve combat.
Do you understand hostilities?
Unfriendly behavior toward others.
Define avoid being drafted.
Prevent being selected as a soldier.
Do you understand the meaning of advocated?
To support and promote.
What is armed group?
A group that carries weapons.
Define obtain.
To gain something.
What is incite?
To encourage.
What is vote?
To choose a leader.
What is conscript?
To require to join.
What are narcotics?
Illegal drugs, such as heroin or cocaine.
What do you mean by transport?
Carry one place to another.
Define. Detained.
Forced to stay.
What is the meaning of confined?
Jailed by the police.
Define. Incite.
To encourage someone to do something.
Define. Recruit.
To ask.
What is military unit?
The official army for a country.
What is labor camp?
A place where people are forced to work.
What is lie?
Not true.
What is pay alimony?
Give money to an ex-spouse after a divorce, as per court order.
What do you mean by enlist?
To sign up.
Define. Support dependent.
Pay child support.
Do you understand the meaning of arrested?
Caught by the police.
What is kidnapping?
Taking someone away illegally by force.
Explain. Perform work of national importance under civilian direction.
Do non-military work during a national crisis under civilian direction.
What is religion?
A belief in God.
What is the meaning of misrepresentation?
Provide wrong information.
What is weapon?
A knife or a gun.
What is allegiance?
To be loyal to something.
What does U.S. Armed Forces mean?
U.S. Army, Navy, Air.
What is the meaning of unable to consent?
Could not agree.
What is hereditary title?
A royal title, such as a prince or princess.
What is police unit?
A group that enforces the law and stops crime.
What is the meaning of direct?
To be in charge.
What is paramilitary unit?
A group that acts like the military but is not official.
What is vigilante unit?
A group that acts like the police but is not official.
What are deportation proceedings?
Legal process of forcing someone to leave the U.S.
Define, participate.
To be part of.
What is mental impairment?
Mental damage.
What is the meaning of charged?
Formerly told that you did something illegal.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
To say you are a U.S. citizen.
Do you understand the meaning of threaten?
To tell someone you're going to hurt them.
What is self-defense unit?
A group that protects a community using weapons.
Define sexual contact or activity.
Touching someone sexually.
What is public benefit?
Money from the government, such as food stamps.
Define disability.
Limitations of ability.
What is non-resident?
Someone who doesn't live in the U.S.
What is explosive?
Bomb.
What are examples of non-combatant services?
Nursing, cooking, or translation.
What is oath of allegiance?
A promise to be loyal.
Define removal.
Making someone leave the U.S.
Define cultivate.
Grow plant.
Define destruction of property.
Ruin of property.
What is suspended sentence?
Delayed sentence.
What is illegal gambling?
To play a game for money, that is against the law.
What is registered to vote?
Sign up to choose a leader.
Define injure.
To hurt someone.
Define with intent.
Purposely.
What is assault?
To attack violently.
What is exemption?
Special permission for not doing something.
What is order of nobility?
Like king or queen.
Meaning of civilian direction?
Direction from non-military person.
What is example of work of national importance under civilian direction?
Helping the Red Cross after an earthquake.
What is the form of government in the United States?
Republic.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation.